See my grandfather. Tingnan niyo yung puno. Siya lang ang nag-iba ng kulay. Nalalagas na. Yung iba wala pang ano. Siya lang ang nag-iba ng kulay yan. Tingnan niyo. Wala pang
Airfryer.
Airfryer.
Oh wow, it's a big air fryer. Bigger than I expected. Quite big. 5.3.
How many?
5.3 quart.
There's no other box.
No. Oh. Let's see how big it is. I don't know how to open it. Oh, it's taped. Haha. It says it'll do a whole chicken, so it's got to be fairly good size. Oh wow, it's quite big. There's your. Remove that. See? It's the Power Air Fryer, extra large. Hold a whole chicken, so you can deep fry, air fry a whole chicken. This should come out so you can wash it. Oh, it does. It comes out like. That's so you can take it out and wash it. And then you cover that back up.
Oh, that's why it says caution there.
I'm not sure what this is for. You'll have to read your directions. They're right here.
What's this?
I don't know. You have to read the directions. Ah, it's very big.
There's
5.3 quart. That's big. 5.3 quart.
Meron siyang ganito. Tapos, recipes. At saka manual. Yan, manual. Yan. Marami siyang recipe dito.
Something to say, you should hear it. Oh, I'm happy to make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me.
Ilalagay yung kung ano, kung i-separate. Pwedeng iluto na separate. Ayan, nagluluto na tayo ng pork chop. Test. First test. Yun na, oh. Ito na yung niluto ko sa air fryer. Sa akin yan. Na yung niluto ko, pati yung potato, linagyan ko ng cheese on top. Yan na siya. May linagay akong chicken wings, tapos minarinate ko, tapos linagay ko. So, try natin ulit ito. So, I put 300 for 10 minutes. Kasi gusto ko yung medyo slow ang pagkaluto. Yan, ito luto na. Kain na kami.
Hold on, girl, now wait just a minute. I've got something to say. You should hear it.
Thank you so much for watching.
Happy to make time for
Bye.
your feelings.